Period, girl. Hello beautiful people, what's up? It's your girl Brandy. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am doing a really fun video I've been planning for a while. Since being in these past couple of weeks in quarantine, is it just me or are all these companies trying to scam us out of our coin? Because they know we're at home, they know we're gonna buy it, they know we're suckers. I have seen a total of 5 different brands, if I can show you, charging incredibly outrageous prices for these tie-dye sweatsuits, and I just couldn't bring myself to pay this $65 for a sweatsuit bottom when I can buy the sweatsuit bottom from Walmart and tie-dye it myself. So for today's video, if you couldn't already guess, we are going to be creating our own tie-dye sets. Everything that I got, super affordable, Walmart and Amazon, under $60 to $65. We're not going to let them coin us. We're not going to let us we're not going to let, I don't fucking know. I'm fucking losing my mind in here, to be honest, but it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Let me show you guys all the things that I purchased to make this possible. So for my sweatpants, it was a journey to find these because I don't know if it's just me or everybody had the same idea to buy white sweatpants at the same time, but all the white sweatpants that are in the size small were sold out. When I went on Walmart, couldn't find any. So I resorted to Amazon. These were a little bit more than I wanted to pay for these. They were about $20-ish. My price point was $10 for the pants, but it's fine. And I got them in a size small. They're a cute little fit, and I love them. They're a men's small, by the way. I just wanted to point that out. I wouldn't try to get a, what is it called? Is it a youth kid size? The boy sizes. If you are my size, I wouldn't try to because it may be short at the leg, okay? And then I also got a sweatshirt as well. This was like $10 from Walmart. Everything will be linked in the description below. Very affordable with this. And then lastly, we have my tie-dye set, which was also $20. It was a little bit more expensive, but the bottles are larger, which I'm happy about. So we are going to tie-dye my stuff today. Ashley's gonna tie-dye her stuff with me. She's tie-dyeing a all black set, which was like $10 for the top, $10 for the bottom, and she's gonna bleach hers. So let's do this together and have a good time. Let's vibe it out, okay? So I'm gonna go downstairs and we're gonna start tie-dyeing. Let's go. So Ashley's here. She's not gonna be on camera, but it's fine. It's totally it's totally fine. So Ashley is gonna bleach her stuff. I guess we should do it outside, right? And then put a towel down. Yeah. And then I'll get gloves as well. So let's go do this all together. Turn the light on so you guys can see, you know, a bit of a process of what's going on. So we're gonna get bleach for Ashley. Bleach for Ashley. What the fuck is the bleach? We have to go get bleach for Ashley's tie-dye set. I thought we had some bleach, but we do not. So I'm gonna go look for some. My mom was saying like we did. I don't fucking know. I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get it, I guess. See you guys later.
Few moments later.
So we got the goods. Haha, eat it, Mom. She said we wouldn't have it. They wouldn't have it. It was damn impossible. Okay, so now me and Ashley are gonna go to Chipotle and get a bowl or something, or get into something good. Okay, we are finally home, y'all, after a long trip of Chipotle and getting the bleach. We are going to start the process of this dyeing and tie-dyeing mess. Let me eat my food first, and then we will get into this video very quickly, very soon. So we're in my backyard right now, and we're gonna look at the instructions on how to do tie-dye kits. I mean how to tie-dye the sweatsuit. So we're gonna look at that. Ashley's right here. We're gonna go look at it together because you want to look at instructions before you go out and do something. These young ladies, we're looking at their video. Okay, you guys, this is what the setup is looking like. We just doused our sets in hot water. Make sure before you guys start this process, you guys do the same, because I think it has to do with the process of the dye soaking to the materials. So I have the dye right here. I need to add the water in, and then these rubber bands came with the kit that I got from Amazon. So what I am gonna do, like I said in the beginning of this video, I want to do a sunset moment. So I'm gonna use the yellow, red, and then this lavender color right here. And my stuff is already kind of turning. I don't know how. But then Ashley is going to bleach hers. She put her bleach in this little squirt bottle. So now we're gonna start the crinkling process in adding the rubber band. You can do this either way that you want, any style that you like. I'm personally not sure how I'm gonna do mine. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. I may Google some, but Ashley's already starting, so she's an innovator. So now that we have our stuff like in this balls and everything like that, I'm gonna go ahead and test my little dye out on a paper towel, because I saw somebody do it on a YouTube video, and I'm just gonna do that really quickly. Actually, you could go ahead and start if you want to. I'm so scared. Go ahead and start. Oh, she's starting! I literally just squirted that like, everywhere, bitch.
DJ Doggy, DJ Doggy, DJ Doggy.
Y'all, Ashley's looks fucking fire. Urban Outfitter vibe.
No, seriously, okay,
bitch.
fun story. Can I tell a story real quick?
Yeah.
Okay, so I used to work at Madewell in Century City, and these girls at work were buying basically a tie-dye set that Urban Renewal has.
And if you don't know about Urban Renewal, I'll just insert a B-roll in here real quick. They basically just rework things that are probably from the Goodwill 99% of the time, and then they charge you $100 fucking for it. So
Yeah,
just
it's
to give you
insane.
back for
But
it.
they bought theirs literally on site, and I was like, oh my god, that's so crazy. Like, I wish I had that money. Don't really have that money.
But
And
Ashley set for our top and bottom, guess how much it was?
it was literally $30 something. Like,
Seriously,
it was
like
it was
half,
$32 for everything.
less than half. Okay, you guys, so we put our stuff in bags.
Brandy!
I owe you. You always do that bullshit. Anyways, we put our stuff in bags, and so now we're just cleaning our stuff up and we're gonna leave it in the bags. I don't know how long we're gonna leave it in the bags. Probably until tomorrow morning. So I will be back to show you guys what it turned out and looked like. I'm super excited. We're gonna, yeah, okay. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. Okay, good morning, you guys. I look like shit, but we are going to go check on this tie-dye that we left in these bags overnight. Sorry if the lighting is like kind of shitty too. I look really awful. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, and we're going to wash it out and have our final like little setup, I guess. I don't know. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Oh shit. Okay, sunset vibes. Oh, I love it. I love it. I think those are the pants. And then this is my top, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so I'll look at Ashley's.
I'm gonna look at mine.
Okay, come on then.
Yeah.
We have no idea what this is, you guys. Ooh.
I can't tell now. Okay, wait. I'll
Oh
double check.
shit. That looks...
That's probably the bottom, and this is probably the top, because the top didn't change very much. Yeah, this is the top. The piece of shit is what that is.
Ashley's top didn't turn as much as the bottom.
To rinse it until it's white.
Yeah, till the water is clear. Yeah.
Same thing.
Okay. Are you mad or not?
Oh shit, I'm so excited. This is gonna be great.
Okay, let's see what it looks like.
Let you know that we waited 15 hours. I mean 16 hours.
We did a 15-hour timer.
Oh, wow. That's fine!
Are you getting it, Ashley?
Yeah.
Look the fucking screen!
Yes, bitch.
Oh, I love it!
It looks really cool.
Okay, let's rinse this bitch out. So I put it in, they say wash one item at a time. I'm just gonna put like a little bit. Okay, Ashley's turned out super, super cool. Her black is like almost a gray, kind of like galaxy moment. Urban Renewal could never, first of all. And the front of it is literally an A.
A for Ashley.
A for Ashley.
So like
oh shit, like it's everything. So cute. I love that. And then her pants came out bomb too. She's just rinsing it out with the water. Just kind of like dookie water a little bit, but she's rinsing it out.
Sorry guys.
They don't care. But she's just rinsing it out. I just want to show you guys hers. Lift up the pants. Because that's the front of it, and then look at the back.
The back is really cool. I wish I would have. No, actually, I'm lying. This is the front.
Oh, the front is really cool.
In the back. Oh, that's what I wanted. I didn't want shit to be on my back.
The front is bomb.
The front is
look at the front, you guys.
Look at that.
So freaking nice and
so
cute.
Cool.
So cool.
This
See,
is the coolest project
experiments.
ever. Yeah.
We love it.
3 days later.
Hi you guys, so it's a few days since I have last seen you guys. I'm so sorry. I actually re-dyed the set a second time because I felt like I could have went harder, honestly, and I am so excited to show you the results. So let me show you guys right now. This is how it turned out. It's super, super cute pink sunset moment. It looks like very much high in the cloud vibes. I am living for it. It has kind of some accents of yellow in it. And I'm really happy with how this went. Let me show you guys the pants, which are by far, these are probably my favorite part of this entire set, are the pants. Here are the pants. They're super, super cute. I love them. They look amazing on, and I feel like this color is just everything. It gives me that sunset pink moment that I was very inspired by. I will insert my inspiration for this tie-dye look right over here on the screen. Y'all, I feel like it looks pretty similar if I do say so myself. Like, oh my god. I did a different method when I tie-dyed this, when I tie-dyed my set for the second time. Instead of doing the scrunch method of folding it like so, and I'm just like folding it back and forth, I did it in a different way, and I went ahead and I took pieces of the fabric that were kind of really white, and I just took it like this and I twisted it and then I secured it with an elastic band. As well as the pants, I did the same technique with the scrunching on the top. I didn't do it as long as I did it the first time with letting the dye sit, because I was just really impatient this time around, you guys. I was ready to just have it on my body already. So I really love the way it turned out. I think it's so much fun. I think it's an amazing color for springtime, and it's an awesome activity to do to pass the time during quarantine. Let me try it on for you guys so you guys can see how cute it is on. If you want something that you can live in during this quarantine season, get yourself a sweatsuit, tie-dye it, and you have a look instantly. This is what it looks like on. I think it's super, super cute, and it was honestly so much fun to do with my sister. It was just a fun sibling bonding time, but this is what it looks like on. What I would suggest though is if you are trying to do this at home, definitely get a larger size, because this is a men's small, but I do feel like it's a little bit more fitted than I would like it to be. I would have honestly gone for a large, maybe even an extra large if you really want that baggy, oversized look. Urban Renewal, I'm coming for you, darling. You're not gonna take my coinage now, not ever. Maybe in the future, but not right now. I love this top, it's super cute. And then here are these sweatpants, super cute. I love the fit, and I really love the work that I did with the tie-dye. I'm so happy with them, yay! I'm going to be living in this all quarantine, period. That concludes today's video. I am so happy with how this tie-dye set turned out. If you guys try doing your own tie-dye set at home, make sure you guys tag me in it, as well as comment down below. If you have any questions, or if you guys want access to any of the things that I used in this video, the links will be in the description below. If you want to buy the sweatshirt or the pants that I bought, the links will be provided. As well as that, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, because I probably forgot to say it in the beginning of this video, at BrandyIWin, and also make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you guys can be up to date with more uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had such an amazing time filming today's video. So again, if you guys want to see more fun creative videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!